Ed has been doing employee luncheons for the whole time I've been here, so for 20 years. When we first started, I think we just did them occasionally. And once I got here, I said, can we do them a little more frequently so I can plan for them? So we made them the last pay date of every month so that all the employees would know what day they'd get a freebie lunch.
Well, I think gratitude and appreciation are powerful things, and food brings everyone together. So we do these luncheons as an appreciation to our employees. I know that when I feel appreciated, I'm a happy person and it makes a better day, and I hope that that's what's happening for our employees.
People wonder, is it supportive of our culture? And I think our luncheons are part of our culture. We've always been a company that wants to provide for our teams and make them feel cared for and appreciated. So it's something we have always done.
We also provide popcorn to our employees and donuts once a week, free coffee, and all those little things. It's just another way that we want to thank our employees and make them comfortable while they're working here.
It's a good way to show appreciation for the employees and to boost morale.
It brings people together from the company.
I love breakfast for lunch. We have it for dinner all the time.
It's nice.